I've sold over $20 million as an affiliate. There's thousands of affiliate programs out there, and I'm gonna share with you the 5 tips I use to pick the winners. What's up, everybody? It's Adrian Brambila here, your trusted affiliate internet marketer who got popular by living in a van and sharing how I make $100,000 per month through affiliate marketing. And today, we're gonna talk about what I know so much about affiliate marketing, applying to affiliate programs. Guess how many times I've applied to affiliate program? Here. Not just 100, not just 1,000, but over 30,000 affiliate programs I've applied to. So you can say I know a couple pointers on the good ones, the bad ones, and the ugly ones. Tip number 1, the very first thing you should do before you apply is to make sure that that program is offering a good quality product. This may seem like common sense, but sometimes people get a little romantic about, ooh, high commission rate, that's what I should promote. But here's the thing, if you want to be in business for longer than a couple months, you cannot trick people. You do not want to deliver a bad product or recommend a product that is, or a service that's terrible. Because then that customer that you spend all that energy trying to bring in, be like, you're the one who told me about that product and that product gave me a rash. So make sure it's a good quality product. Here's toilet paper. Some toilet paper is smooth like butter. It's a great product. Some toilet paper can hurt your butthole, like major rashes. So do not give people butthole rashes when you do affiliate marketing. Make sure it's a good product. Tip number 2, make sure you have a high AOV. AOV, which stands for average order value. You may be looking at promoting something like a lotion. Well, I don't know if there's a lotion out there that costs $100, so your commission rate is going to be super low, even if it is a high commission rate, like 50%, because you're selling a $9 or $10 item. That's not important. What's important is when the customer goes to that store, what's the average amount of the total cart value? Because that is what you're making your commission rate off of. A really good brand, a really good business, they have upsells and cross-sells and upgrades so that even though that customer may have originally came for a $7 or $9 lotion, they end up taking creams and coconut oils or whatever, and at the end when they hit their checkout and their credit card, that little $9 item is now $80. And that's more important than selling a single item, is strategies and tips where that brand is taking the time to invest to increase your average order value. So when you're applying, usually really good brands will let you know what their AOV is. Otherwise, you can always ask. Number 3, you want to have a decent commission rate. I mean, we are kind of working for free as affiliate marketers. We are working on commission. A lot of affiliate marketing beginners, they go to Amazon and they sign up to be an Amazon affiliate because you can sell anything on Amazon. There's every single product that's ever been made is on there. However, the commission rate is so low. Please, if you're part of an Amazon affiliate program, get rid of it. Focus on anything else but Amazon because commission rate's low. I do not know anyone who's made over 6 figures of profit using Amazon as an affiliate. So get out. So always make sure that you're sending traffic to a product that has a higher AOV, but where you're also going to make a nice commission. Number 4, the best affiliate programs offer a lifetime commission. That means when you send a customer that way and that customer makes a transaction and they leave and they come back months later and they buy again, you still make your commission. A lot of affiliate programs do not offer this. They just pay you on the first sale. But if a really good brand, especially if it's a consumable-based product, aka proteins and supplements and creams and makeup, things that get used, and it's really good, they'll come back and they'll keep buying from that brand. Like my deodorant, Old Spice, been rocking that since I was a kid. Like I'm probably never gonna try another brand because like I love that brand. So imagine if someone was an affiliate marketer for Old Spice and they got me to click and buy that. Like that's forever commissions. I'm always gonna be smelling good like Old Spice, you know what I'm saying? So lifetime commissions, that's a big one. Even if the commission rate is low, you can bank on the fact that if your customer continues to buy from that program, you'll always make commissions in perpetuity. Tip number 5, and this is a big one. The best affiliate programs, they offer all the other 4 things we talked about. High AOV, it's a great product, you have a nice commission rate, but most importantly, you have lifetime commissions and there's reoccurring revenue, so there's some type of subscription offer. Back in the day when Lady Boss first came out, I was one of their first affiliates, and also I think probably the only affiliate at the time of this video who sold over 7 figures of their product. And at one time, I was getting paid $30,000 a month in reoccurring revenue because their product was a protein powder based on a subscription that paid every single month, the customers would, and I would make a commission from that. And it was crazy because then I can invest aggressively in month 1 in my ads and even lose money, go in the red, knowing that on month 2, the reoccurring revenue would then pay for my cost and make profit. And every month after that was profit, profit, profit. So as you begin exploring affiliate marketing programs in every single industry, make sure you take this list and use it as your code, as your guide, because if it crosses up all the things on this list, you, my friend, have probably found a great affiliate marketing program. Let me know if you have any questions, comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. This is Adrian. Peace and God bless.